iOS 13 is here. It's so exciting. There's all these cool features that are coming out. Everybody's talking about it. And if you haven't upgraded already, you should do so. iOS 13.1 was just released last week, and it's got some good stability updates and squishes a few bugs. So highly recommend it. But there are a few features that aren't there yet. And it's very sad because I want to play with it. It's the most exciting thing that they talked about at the Apple keynote back this summer. They talked about HomeKit secure video and routers that you could add to HomeKit. And these are game-changing features that would allow your network to be more secure at home. Things I've been waiting on. And this is something that's very important for your home because it's not just laptops and iPhones on your network anymore. You have things that open your front door. You have garage door openers. You have smart lights and smart cameras. Of course, you want to keep these things secure. So to start it off with a router that's a virtual firewall for your home that protects your smart equipment, it's an amazing thought, and I can't wait for features like this. And then also they have this HomeKit secure video where it's taking your video feed and encrypting it and storing it in iCloud as opposed to using a third party. Traditionally, cameras that are smart, they just send their information straight up to the cloud. People get their accounts hacked all the time. I see it all the time. So for Apple to make a more secure way to do this, I'm on board. And these are features, although we have iOS 13, we don't have access to yet because we're waiting on third parties to make the hardware and software to work with these new features. And Apple did name drop a few companies at the keynote. For the cameras, they mentioned that Logitech, who I'm a huge fan of, Logi Circle 2 is an amazing camera, and it's very underrated in my opinion. I think it's one of the better ones on the market that works with HomeKit right now. Netatmo and UFI Security would be introducing new cameras that have these features in the future. When in the future, we don't know. And for the routers, we have Linksys, Arrow, other internet service providers like Spectrum, Charter, if you're familiar with that in your area. Comcast uses similar technology, so maybe we'll see something from them as well. One thing that got me really excited is Arrow just announced a new router, and I got excited and I checked it out, and it ended up just being a lower spec, lower price point router from their Pro model, and it does not have this new feature with it. So I am on the lookout. So for now, we're not even going to have these new features because we still need to wait on the third-party companies to release the hardware and software to enable these things in iOS 13, which is unfortunate because they don't even have any incentive to do it because, like I said, Apple's kind of taking a bite out of their apple because Apple's offering this as a service at a cheaper price, and these guys are offering a premium, more expensive account to do it less securely. So why would they want to support Apple's software when they could make more money selling you their own service? But I just hope they get it before Christmas because the holiday time is the perfect time to buy things for the home. So I really, you can tell I really want these features. But if you want these features too, make sure you smash like and subscribe, and I'll update you when products that work with these features come out. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.